Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. Windows Security or Windows Defender is the default antivirus and security solutions in Windows. Sometimes it happens that Windows Security not opening or not working. Most of the case, when we update Windows or install or upgrade Windows, then this problem occurs. So in this video I will show you two processes to fix if your Windows Security not opening or not working in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's start. Step 1, go to search bar and search by Windows PowerShell. Now open the Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. After opening the Windows PowerShell administrator, enter the following command. You will get this command in video description. After entering the command, press enter on your keyboard. You will see command run successfully. And then cancel this Windows. And then try to open your Windows Security and check problem solved or not. If problem still occurs, then go to next step. Again go to search bar and search by Windows Security. Now on the Windows Security, right click on your mouse. You will see some options. From here click on App Settings. Scroll down and find out Reset option. After finding, click on Reset option and again confirm. After following the step, hope your problem Windows not opening or Windows not working will be solved. Friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.